All right, guys, welcome back. In the last video, we have seen how to install the Red Hat CLI. So let us start. In this video, I will show you the date command and how to use it effectively, right? So what can I do here? One thing that is sometimes we need to test our environment multiple times and we want to test it separately from our real operating system. So suppose I'm going to test something. For example, here I'm going to test date command. So what can I do? I can just clone one of the operating system. All right, I'm going to CLI. It is lightweight, so it won't consume much of storage of mine. So here I will click on clone, and suppose this is for only date command, then I will delete or terminate it. So this is the storage where it will consume. I can click here, generate new MAC address. Next, full clone, then clone it. In few seconds, another operating system will be ready, that is date. In this operating system or virtual machine, I will show you the date commands, right? So let's start it. Select and click on start. Switch. Select this one, enter. Great, the operating system is getting ready. Few seconds more. Yes, I am logging with root account. My password. Great. We are logged in. So the first command I'm going to teach you in this tutorial is date command. Date command shows the time and date of this current system. So if I put here date, here it's Thursday, April 29th of April. This is the time, Indian Standard Time IST, and it is year 2021, right? So using date command, you can set your date also. For that, we have some option, that is date -s, then put the string. String we put in quotes, double quotes. I can put like something 02 slash 24 slash maybe 1998, 24th of February and 1998. So I can put the time here also, suppose 12:00:00. Enter. See here, this was Tuesday, I think, 24th Feb 12 IST. Now you can check what is my current date. This is the date, only 10 seconds. This was 12 and this is 12 hours and 10 seconds. Some other options are there. What are those? Some like date commands support many more options for date formatting. You can use them for formatting. For example, suppose I'm putting date plus then percentile D. What it will show? It will show the current date, today's date. According to the date, today is 24, right? I have just said now the date is 24. Then if I do capital D here, then it will show the entire like month, year, date, everything. 24th Feb 1998. Okay. Then what else? We have something like date plus percentile small h. So it will show the month name, that is February. If you want to see the hour, that is 12 o'clock here, you can do with capital H, that is 12 hours. Okay. So next some commands or some options I can say. Here you can type G. G will give you 98. 98 means the year. Here you can see this 98. Or I think capital G, let me check. Yes, the entire full year 1998. Similarly, the Y command goes the same. Let me clear my screen. As we have used G, similarly Y. It gives 98, that is the year in small, and this is the complete year 1998. Great. Anything else? I can see the minutes, that is M. 02 minute. How I can check? Just press date. You can see it is going 2 minutes. Now that it is 3 minutes, you can see the time is 3 minutes. So again, if you do M, you can see why it is showing 2, I don't know. Just you can try with capital M, that is 3. Yes, just let me try again. It should show 3, I don't know why. And capital M and small m are the same, they show the minutes. Okay, so let's proceed. What else you can do? One thing that is goes with B, small b, gives you the year in small, that is Feb. And for capital B, you can see February. Using these options, you can format the date as you want. Suppose I want something like date, month, year separated by a slash or something like that. So let me create that. Date plus percentile or modulus, whatever you can say, D. Then I want to be separated by slash. Then percentile H. Then again separated by slash. Then percentile Y. So it will give you 24th Feb 1998. You can make it like capital H, sorry, and this capital Y. Okay, I have removed that. Here the slash is missing. Yes, 24th. Okay, sorry, this is the hour. This is not year. This is hour, the 12 here. You can set here G, I think, or maybe B. I think now it's correct. Yes, 24th February 1998. What else we can do? If you want to do, let me tell you one thing, that if you want to use this with pipeline means this one. Okay, so it is giving error. Why it is giving error? Like if you want to separate with a pipeline, any issue here, or what is? Because in Linux the symbol pipeline gives or refers to something else. This is not the command. So you can do like put every option inside the double quotes, then you can find the same thing, 24th Feb 98. Okay, and I can just do history command. It will show the entire commands I have used. Here you can refer. And thank you. That's all for this video. Thank you so much. And in the next video we will see something else, some other commands, how to use them. Okay, and I'm just terminating this operating system or this VM, setting down, then right click, remove, delete all files. I have done my testing successfully. I just terminated the OS. Whenever I want, I can again clone and again start. Okay, that's all for this video. Thank you so much.